Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So we have another EDC flashlight video, quick unboxing and initial impression video of the Thrunite T1 Pro, courtesy of our friends from Thrunite. So this flashlight comes in, I think, 3 different colors. So green, orange, and black. Okay, so it has a Thrunite rechargeable battery using a USB Type-C cable, or you can use double A's. Okay, double A's. Okay, high 1012 lumens, so small but bright flashlight for outdoor or EDC. Okay, comes with a pocket clip and 3 brightness levels, and I gotta test that out, and a lanyard hole for more carrying options. So 1012 lumens, max of 127 meters. So like I said, it's compatible with AA batteries. Let's turn it on. So this is a twist type. This is the 1012 lumens. Small but bright. See how small it is? Okay. Let's check the battery. Okay, hold on. So you twist it up to open, and this is your charging port for the Thrunite battery using a Type-C charging cable, or use a AA. So just in case there's no way for you to charge your battery, grab some extra AA's. Okay, okay, so this is the bright, this is the dim. You know, when you want to save battery life and extend your battery time. Again, dim, and your bright 1012. Supposed to be there's 3 levels, but it depends on how you twist the flashlight. So using the rechargeable, this is the bright, super bright, dim, and this is the lanyard hole. So there you go, guys, just a quick unboxing of the Thrunite T1 Pro. Small but powerful flashlight, giving you 1012 lumens. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.